Let's learn how you can get a refund on AliExpress without returning an item. So the first step is to open your AliExpress website or application, whatever you have. Then what you need to do first is to actually go to refund process and open a refund ticket. I won't show that now because I don't have any item that I got from AliExpress, so I cannot refund it. But after you start that refund ticket, you want to click on 3 horizontal lines, go scroll and click on Help Center, then scroll again and click Online Service. And here you need to write your question, and your question will be that you didn't actually got an item and you want a refund. Now here you want to explain your situation and what you can do that helped a lot of people. I don't know if this is patched yet or what. You can try to click on this plus button, and as you can see here, you can add your photo. Here what you need to do is to take photo of your empty hand and show it as evidence that you didn't actually get an item, and it will help. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.